So here's the situation, folks. Fijian man, 38 years old, has been kicked out of the country after some deeply disturbing behavior. He strangled his wife and brandished a large knife, making terrifying threats. This all kicked off in September 2020 during an argument fueled by alcohol. He wanted her phone, she wouldn't hand it over, and things escalated horrifically from there. The specifics are chilling. He grabbed her phone, stormed to the kitchen, and threatened to cut her with a knife. She managed to disarm him and put the knife away, but the nightmare didn't end there. He then strangled her not once but twice, each time making it nearly impossible for her to breathe. Despite denying any physical confrontation, his actions spoke louder than his words, leading his wife to secure a protection order against him. Fast forward, he's convicted of strangulation, grievous bodily harm, and possessing an offensive weapon. The sentence? 9 months of home detention. He appealed naturally, but the High Court wasn't having any of it, dismissing his appeals in October 2023. In June 2023, Immigration New Zealand quite rightly declined his residence application on character grounds. He'd been living in New Zealand since 2016 on various work visas, but was now staying in charity-provided accommodation illegally. Then came the humanitarian appeal against his deportation. He wanted to stay for his children, aged under 12, arguing his income was vital for his mother's medical care back in Fiji. But the tribunal saw through this. They ruled that his children could visit him in Fiji and that he could maintain his relationship with them from there. His sob story about emotional distress and financial woes didn't sway them. The tribunal's stance was clear. His wife and children are being well cared for in New Zealand, and he can take comfort in that. So he's out. It's a hard line, but frankly, it's the right one. His actions have consequences, and this decision underscores that. New Zealand has no room for such violence, and the system has shown that it won't tolerate it. The bottom line, if you can't abide by the law, you can't stay. Simple as that. And that's the immigration news for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more immigration content like this. Ka kite anō.